Hi, ladies. What is the biggest challenge that you are facing right now as a woman over 40? I would love to know. As a woman of 54, life is lifing, and I just wanted to put out this video and just be honest with you about how sometimes in life you may not be where you thought you might be, right? Did I think at 54 that I would be living in temporary accommodation, that I would never have been married before, that my finances would be upside down, that the dream that I had of building my women's home wouldn't come to fruition, that my health would be so crazy, you know, even without the concussion. When you throw menopause into the mix of everything else after a nervous breakdown, still can't seem to get my health where it needs to be. I never thought that I would be in this position as a woman of 54. And so, sometimes I look back at life and think, yes, I've made a load of mistakes. Yes, I've got things wrong. Yes, I've made, bad decisions. Yes, I could have done things so much differently, but you know what, reflecting on coulda, woulda, shoulda, what didn't go right, what didn't go well, where I could have done better, is not going to help moving forward. So I thought, you know what, I can't be the only one out here that age 40, 50, even 60 is really kind of not where they hope that they would be. And so I look back and I reflect and I think, how did it all go so badly wrong? But sometimes it's not about going wrong, because I do believe in God's divine timing, and I do believe that we are exactly where we're supposed to be. Even if it's not a place where we thought we would be, I still believe that God knew how things would work out, and he still has a plan moving forward. He still has a way to turn things around. He still has a way to flip the script on life so that you end up winning in the end. And I've always felt as well that, God needs to use people like us who go through such challenging times, but where our life flips around and turns around later on in life, to be able to show people that it is possible to pick your life up. It is possible for things to change later on in life, and you are never behind. God is a God of the suddenly. He can do things in an instant. He can do things in the blink of an eye. He can turn everything around for your good in seconds. He really is that good. And so instead of being despondent, I try and reflect. I try and look back and think that, I have made mistakes, and try and learn from those mistakes and try and do better moving forward. But sometimes it's hard. Sometimes you do think, you look at other people and you compare. We know comparison is the thief of joy, and comparing yourself to other people is never helpful, never, because no one's life journey, no one's life story is ever the same. There may be some similarities along the way, but it's never the same. It's never the same. Everyone is different. Everyone's journey is different. Everyone's perspective is different. It's always different. So comparing yourself to other people and where they are is not helpful. Yes, there might be someone who's 54 that has got more money than me, is married, has all the kids, and I'm grateful for my one daughter. She is phenomenal. She's amazing, so I'm grateful for her. But I have friends that are in their 50s and never have had kids at all. And again, it's never too late. You may not physically be able to have them, but you can still adopt, and there's still other ways of doing it. So I wanted to encourage you today to say that even if you are not where you want to be, even if you're in your 20s or your 30s and you're still not where you want to be, sit back and reflect and look at your life. Learn from the things that maybe sometimes it's just bad mistakes. Sometimes it's the enemy. Sometimes the enemy is just out here sabotaging people's lives. But sometimes it's decisions. We're not always making the best of decisions as well. And then sometimes it's just God's divine timing. Even amongst the bad decisions, it's still God's divine timing. Everything is still going the way it's supposed to go. Do you understand? As difficult as it may be, you're in a situation that doesn't look the way you thought. You thought your bank account would be full, and you wouldn't have to work again in your 50s or even your 60s. But you find that, you know, life is expensive now. Do you know what I mean? Cost of living is so expensive. You may have to go back out to work and find a job and bring in money from elsewhere. So I just wanted to encourage you not to beat yourself up if you find yourself, you know, in a situation that you didn't think that you were going to be in. Just take courage, take heart, just be kind to yourself. Just be kind to yourself and know that this too shall pass and that God still has a plan. That's what I need you to understand, and that's what I need you to know, that God still has a plan, no matter what it looks like, no matter what the enemy wants to say to you about where you are and where you are, and that you're no good and you can't do anything right, and you know you made all these bad choices and things are never going to change. I need you to understand that God still has a plan. He is not finished with you yet. He is not done with you yet. And you will be the shining example for the rest of us at how life can turn around in the blink of an eye and in an instant. So drop me a comment down below if you are in a situation, in a position that you didn't think you would be in, you're not happy with where you are. Share, give us all some encouragement, because it's real. It's real. Everyone goes through challenges in life. Life is lifing, and it can sometimes be upside down. But I want you to know that it can also change in the blink of an eye, so stay encouraged, keep moving forward. That's the main thing. Small steps forward, will get you to where you want to be. So think about, what is it that you want to do in life? What is your purpose? What is your calling? What are you here for? What is God calling you to do? What is it that you want to do in life? And just take small steps towards it. Nothing major. I always say 15 minutes a day, 15-minute increments a day is all that you need to be able to really get some momentum on what it is that you're called to do. So I just wanted to encourage you with this video today to say, I hear you, I feel you, I'm with you, I'm in the same situation as you. I'm not where I thought I would be. I'm not where I thought I would be, not where I hoped to be, but listen, God still has a plan and He's still working everything together for our good. So stay encouraged. Leave me a comment down below. Let me know where you're at in life. I would love to know, and keep the faith.